Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making mango sheera. For this we need semolina, sugar, clarified butter, milk, fresh mango. So in a pan add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, add 100 grams of semolina on low flame, roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now take a blender, add 1 fresh mango, add milk, sugar and make a shake, mango shake kind of thing. Now add this into semolina and stir continuously. Now add little more sugar, stir continuously. Keep on doing this for 2 to 3 minutes and now you can see the consistency is okay for sheera and your very delicious mango sheera is ready. Thank you.